Dear students, welcome back to online class run by Dr. Hazizal Mahmud College. I am Muhammad Shafiul Alam, lecturer of English, Dr. Hazizal Mahmud College. I was to take the class on the first phases. Today I will take the class on the Unit 4, Human Relationship, Lesson 1, Topic Etiquette and Manner. Dear students, hope that you are all well by the grace of Almighty Allah. I hope you are safe at the custody of your family circumstance. Those who have joined my class and those who have not, all are welcome. I hope that you will join as early as possible. Be safe, remaining at the social distance, maintaining the social rules, keeping your nails short, maintaining the rules of cleanliness, and I think you will be attentive to the classes run by this college. All the teachers are taking the class regularly. I think that you will be benefited if you join the class and correspond with the teachers. Today I will take the first passage, etiquette and manner. The passage will be followed by the rules of etiquette and manner. And as a child, you have to follow certain rules in a situations, being the members of a family, being the members of an institutions and the professional body. As a child, you must have been told to greet your elders and visitors to your home according to your culture and tradition. You must also have been taught to be polite in company and keep quiet while others, especially your elders, spoke. Possibly you at times grasped such a schooling, possibly at times even you have protested such discipline. Now certainly you know that you can't always behave the way you want, especially in the presence of others. We are social beings. We have to maintain certain rules of the society. We have some duties and responsibilities to the society. We have to do certain things that we should with the child, with the seniors, with the guest, those who come to your family or to your society. Now, these rules are to follow, to consider. We have to follow the considers of the behaviors on others, whether it is at home, dealing with our family members or the professional bodies. We have two terms to describe on our social behavior: etiquette and manner. Etiquette is a French word and it means the rules of correct behavior in society. The word manners mean the behavior that is considered to be polite in a particular society or culture. Manners can be good or bad. For example, to speak with others while taking foods in your mouth. No one likes bad-mannered person. Remember that etiquette and manner vary from culture to culture, region to region. and from society to society. We learn etiquette manner from our parents, families, and various institutions such as schools, colleges, and university and professional bodies. These rules of behavior for all kinds of social occasion. It is important to learn them and practice them in everyday life. Manners that are correct in wedding reception will not do in a debating club. Therefore, we have to be careful about etiquette and manner. We know how important it is to say please or thank you in everyday life. When you will have the place of some cases, then you will say please, and if you make any mistakes, you will call please, pardon me, excuse me. And when you will have the permission to enter in any place, then you will say, may I come in, sir? Come in, may I come in? This will make your life smooth and pleasant, and you can avoid the collisions. Whenever the situation comes, you will get the spare from any odd situations. If you use these expressions in your day-to-day life. Dear students, from the passage we learned some rules and behaviors that we should follow in our everyday life that makes our life smooth and pleasant. We have to follow these rules of the correct behavior in a society or in the particular of society. When we will follow these rules, we will be able to maintain the peaceful and the smooth life. Such behaviors will help us to make a peaceful life. From the passage, we will get some vocabulary, and these vocabularies have to answer with 4 alternatives. We are given 4 alternatives in every question. First of all, a child should greet his elders and visitors. Here there are 4 alternatives: youngers, elders and visitors. Here 4 alternatives. We have to choose the best one, which is closest with the question: elders and visitors. A child must be polite, rough, rude, and good. Where polite is the closest meaning, closest answer. In this case, a child must be polite. One should keep quiet while talking others. We have to be quiet. We have to maintain the rules of quietness. When the others speak with you, so we have to be quiet while others speak. A child has to follow some rules in a company. Some rules will be the best answer. In this case, the meaning of the word etiquette. Etiquette means, in the passage we have learned, etiquette means the manners that are to follow in a society. Etiquette is a French word. There are French, Spanish, Chinese, Japanese. We have learned from the passage, etiquette is a French word. Manners can be good or bad. Here etiquette, discipline, manners and quiet. Here manners should be the correct answer. No one likes a bad mannered person. Here the word expression. Expression is a phrase. Here the practice means exercise, to execute something, to follow something. What do you mean by polite? Polite means modest. Etiquette and manners are different in all regions. Etiquette and manners different from region to region, society to society, culture to culture. We have learned from the passage. As we know, passage is one kind of the message, verbatim of information, full of information. So we have to extract the information from the passage. Then I will input it into the question mode. We have to answer the questions knowing the information from the passage. There are some questions. In the question number 2, the answer the following questions. You will have 5 questions in your question paper. You will have to answer the question according to the questions, knowing the information by extracting the information from the passage. Then you will set the informations in the question mode. First question is that what is etiquette? That means etiquette means. What does etiquette means? Etiquette is a French word that means the correct behavior in society. Second question is, what must a child have been to do to his elders? The answer would be, once etiquette, a child must have been told to greet the elders and visitors to come to your family. The third question is, according to what once etiquette is formed. Once etiquette is formed according to the culture and behaviors. Dear students, you will learn the question making pattern following the rules of making questions. So making questions, you can make questions with WH words, what plus auxiliary plus subject plus main verb plus extension question mark. WH words and how, what, which, where, when, how, why. These are the WH words. Then you will do you will have to follow some rules to answer the questions. This is the question mode, and the another mode is with auxiliary plus subject plus main verb plus extension. This is the common question mode of the question paper. There are some other questions here. Why should you think while talking? What should you think while talking to others? In the passage we have learned that we must be quiet while others speak, especially your elders. The next question is that what can we do in the presence of others? We cannot do in the presence of others what we want to do in a company, because your behavior may affect on others activities or situations. Someone may be sick at your neighbor's door. The neighbors may be sick, but if you make a loud noise beside staying with others, that it may hamper his normal activities, or he may feel embarrassing. So we cannot do whatever we like in a society, because man is a social being. We have to cooperate with others, and we have to maintain some rules, and whatever we like we cannot do. We have to consider others' behavior and others' sacrifice. The next question: what should we consider as social being? As a social being, we have to follow certain rules that are congenial to others. The next question: where should we consider the effect of our behavior? We should consider the effects of our behavior while talking to others, even to the family members. How does etiquette and manners may be different? Etiquette and manner may be different, and it may vary from person to person, culture to culture, region to region, or society to society. There are some other questions have been given, the alternative questions, but we will be given only 5 questions in the question paper. We will read the passage again and again, then we will have the information, then we will put them in the question mode and making the answers. To make the answer would be assertive mode. So I have to follow the sentence pattern of the assertive mode to answer any questions. The students, you will continue to join the class, continue to remain in the presence of online class. I think you will be benefited, and remain safe by using the mask at your mouth. Be aware of the rules of cleanliness, and you will follow certain rules that the doctors have prescribed. Do not go out in bitter coldness. I hope you remain safe mentally and spiritually and physically. Until then, for your better performance in your activities in every phase of your life, I wish you all the best, and continue my online class, and the other teachers that hold the classes in other subjects, and be linked with our online class and continue to study at your home. Until then, you remain safe and sound. Thank you.